we're going to Met Park with wife and friends. Maglalaro kami ng badminton, so we are trying to activate our, what do you call this? Active era, no? Kasi nga, sabi ko nga may hypertension ako and para maging healthy kami. So, this is Kobe and Lola habang nagpapak si wife. Let's go. Badminton ready. Thank you, Bash. So for today's bag, we will use this tote bag from Bash. And using our smartwatch H9 Pro. Of course, our Pose recovery plug sandals. Kung hindi nyo natatanong, I was a varsity player ng badminton nung araw. Yun nga, ulitin ko kasi gabi na ngayon. So nagpark tayo sa likod kasi dun yung parking na Met Park, at the back of Met Park. So this is in Blue Bay Walk. Ito yung entrance niya. Wala kasing parking here. Let's go. So magkano yung door charge? 50 per head. 50 per head. So here with mom, with tote bag na Bash. So we have Jet and we have item. So meron silang basketball court. So pwede rin siyang volleyball. So stretching muna tayo. Charlie, what's up? Hey. Yung next pa yan, no? Hi, Jel. Jet, smile ka muna. Item. Yun, hey. So yan, dala natin si Bash. Pakita mo naman. Thank you, Bash. Before we start, hey. Si mamaya, pagod na kami. Thank you, Bash, for this tote bag. Nice. Welcome to Met Park. Hey! 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 Hey!
Wow!
Oh!
Big goal pa yan!
Hey! So ano masabi mo sa first game? So we won, tambak no? 18-10. Talo na no, yan. Tsaka yan, nagre-refill na lang, talo eh. So yung mga bagong tatalunin, yan, jet item. So again, we won our second game. So water break. Hey! Game 1, ilang paso niya lahat. Player of the game, masabi mo?
Magising lang daw eh.
Oh, hindi, may tulog.
Energy.
May tulog to eh. Mamaya, sino talo siya sa Miranda? Prayer for Odin.
Out!
Bash. Hey. So we have this H9 Pro Max. Let's go. So this is our MVP for today's tournament. Hey. So tinalo niya yung 1, 2, 3,
Parang di ka kasali.
4, tsaka 5. Actually, kasi kanina nakailang laro na ako. So nung naglabang kami, syempre babae, pinagbigyan natin. After our game, palit muna tayo.